Good morning everyone. My name is Sugandha Suman and I am graduated in BCom. I am doing my internship from TK Films Entertainment. And TK Films Entertainment is a production house. They are producing movies, serials, web series. I am a part of a web series there. My purpose is to explore the corporate industry and media industry also. And I want to be a team worker. I want to know about how to communicate in a team. Let us talk about the objective. What are the objective? The objective as a management trainee intern is to create awareness as a content writer, and also I am helping them in promotion team. Let us talk about the SWOT analysis. SWOT analysis is strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. When we talk about the strength part, we are talking about the exponential growth. There is a huge exponential growth in media industry. And when we talk about the originality, originality is based on the concept and the content of the story itself. Now let us talk about the weakness. Weakness is like increasing depth. If you want to produce a web series or an advertisement, you need money and fund in a huge amount. That is one of the biggest weakness that every producer have to face. Afterward, there is a limited copyright. You can't give copyright to each and every person. So you have to sign a contract with your channel partner. And then we talk about the opportunities. Opportunities like expand customer base. This is the place where you can expand your customer base. Normally, you can also switch to a niche marketing also. Now let us talk about the threat part. Threat part is competitive pressure. Because of that, every producer feel high pressure. In an industry like media and entertainment industry, there is no entry barriers. So anyone having money can produce movies or web series. So the competitive pressure is very high. And when we talk about the privacy and the government rule and regulation, that is one of the most aspect of the media industry. Now let us talk about the Potter's 5 forces. Potter's 5 forces is like a thread of new entry. You becoming a producer, you have to be registered in Film Production Association, and that is the place where you get registered. And from like normal company, you have to get registered in the Companies Act also. So there is no barrier for entry and exist. Then we talk about the bargaining power of the supplier. Bargaining power is very low because the actor, writer, director, DOP, people are ready to give their service. And the bargaining power of buyer on the other hand is very high, because you can't think to have the loyal customer in this profession. Afterward, then we talk about the threat from the substitute products. Yes, that threat from the substitute product is very high, because people are ready to switch faster than any product. So the threat from substitute product is very high. Now we are talking about the rivalry among the existing players. That is very high because everyone wants to earn more and more and more. So the pressure on the producer is very high because entry exists do not having any kind of barriers. So anyone can enter and produce, just like just they have to register in the Companies Act and can produce it. Now let us talk about the economic importance of the entertainment industry. When we talk about the economic importance, we have to think about the figures. When we talk about the figure, we have to remember 3,07,000 crore. That is registered in 2019 as an expected growth of media and entertainment industry, and it is rapidly growing. So thank you.